My name is Erica Tanks. I teach 5th grade, and I am a 4th and 5th grade mathematics teacher. The lesson that I taught today in Excel, I had my students create a spreadsheet, creating bar graphs, frequency tables, and making explanations in Excel. In order for me to engage the students, they created a survey, and they took a survey on their favorite game system. They had an opportunity to list different types of game systems that they use, such as PlayStation 3, Xbox, Nintendo, Wii, and they took a survey of how many students liked each one of those games. So that was some type of engagement that they had opportunity to do with this activity. They also had an opportunity to give me 2 reasons why they chose a certain video game as the most popular one. They also had an opportunity to create a spreadsheet in Excel, whereas they completed a bar graph there, and they had to label the bar graph. On our bar graph, one thing that I kind of work with them on is using the 5 fingers to make sure that they check off, like a check-off point list that is included, such as the thumb being our x-axis, our pointer finger being our y-axis, our tall man being our title, our ring finger being our labels, and our pinky finger being our scale. In the explanation part, the students, I'm kind of going back up on the Excel, they were able to tell me why the data read a certain way. They came up with different reasons or possibilities, and we charted all the explanations either on the board, and they had the opportunity to explain it on their spreadsheet. The extension was, since we're going to a higher assessment test, or a state test, I'll put it that way, the kids had an opportunity to do a higher thinking on this assignment, where they had to come up with rationale of prior knowledge that they know, such as a KWAL chart. How I would evaluate them, they was able to save their Excel spreadsheet on a jump drive, and I'm going to go back and check for all the areas that I asked for. Did they have a frequency table that was listed there? Did I see all the parts of the bar graph? Did they give me my 2 possible reasons? And I'm also going to use a rubric to also see if they met those criteria. It's put their form. The graphs is there, nice, neat, organized. So I think they like that. I will also say that some other things that they might like, putting the information in the data, doing it themselves. They don't have anybody to just copy it, pencil paper it down, all of it. You got a different way that you can incorporate technology in it. And I think by just having an opportunity to go to the lab and put the information in the computer, they having a good time with that. I can honestly say I have come up a little bit in Excel, because Excel was not my favorite at first, but I can honestly say it is a part of my lesson now.